Hi there! Need tailored insights to better understand your business? In this video, we'll guide you through our custom reports feature, so you can create personalized reports that cater to your specific needs, using a variety of data points and filters. Let's get started. On your Microkeeper account, navigate to Payroll, Reports, and click on Custom Reports. Make sure you have the right access level by clicking on My Access at the top of the page. To create a new custom report, click on the Report Builder button at the top of the screen. Here you can access and edit any custom reports you built before, as well as clone them or delete them. To create a new report, click on the plus button. Set a title for your report and click on Create Report. In the configuration window, you can directly edit the name of your report, set the primary dataset, add any subsets, and write any notes if needed. Go to the menu on your left and click on the pencil button next to columns to start building your report. All available fields are displayed under available columns. Double-click on the fields you want to use, or drag and drop them to selected columns. If you wish to change the name for any of the fields, click on the pencil button on the menu and rename them. To set any filters, click on the pencil button next to Filters. Select the fields and conditions you need. Once you are done, make sure to click on Save Filter to make sure they are applied. Once you finish setting up your new report, it's ready to be used whenever you need it. Before selecting a report to export or view, make sure to specify a time period from your filters. If not specified, Microkeeper will automatically select the most recent payment date. Period selecting filters include the fiscal year, period of time, and group. Below these, the related pay runs filter will display the specific runs included within your selected criteria. Once the period has been selected, you can either export your report as CSV file or view it and then print it. Custom reports empower you to gain deeper insights and make data-driven decisions with ease. For more guidance and support, check out additional tutorials or contact our support team.